Hello, here I'd like to actually demonstrate this, which is a battery. Now, I'm always looking for the right word for things. The manufacturers call it a power station, which I don't think that's right. And I think the word battery, because power bank, it is a power bank, but it's a big one. And what is the point of something like this? Well, this is the Bluetti. It's not blue, it's orange, or orangey red. This thing here would make a very good replacement or new battery for those who have an old vehicle. Maybe they picked up a Transit from, I don't know, from 1986, and they're trying to make a camper van out of it, or something along those lines. Better get something like this, which you can take out. It'll cost a bit more than a normal battery, but it's got a lot more functions, and those functions, by the time you add everything up, okay, maybe it'll still be a little bit more expensive, but you can carry it with you, and you don't have to worry about stacks of wiring as a result. Right, first thing it's got here, this has 700 ampere hours of 700 watts of power, 43 ampere hours, sorry, not 700 ampere hours, that would be pretty good. I wouldn't be able to carry it though. And so we can, it can be powered up via two sources. That's quite unusual. You can power it up via 12 volt and the mains at the same time. I don't know why you necessarily want to do that, but it is possible. 12 volt charging does take a fair whack of time, but it can take a very long time, in fact. But all the same, you mightn't have access to mains. What we've also got with this, we've got the USBs down here, so that's good for your telephones. You've got this here for your 230, but your computer, I'm going to make you another bit of advice, is you get a converter for this. Right? Don't stick your computer in here, because what you're doing, you're converting from 230 to 230 down to 19, right? So this from 19, sorry, to 12 to 19 directly. Far more sense, far more efficient, and the battery will last a lot longer. So something like this, you're looking around 500 euros, 600 euros, something along those lines, and it's far more efficient in my opinion. And look how light it is. This is about 7 kilos, so I think that's pretty positive. Another couple of minor things, you can get a light here. This will flash, sorry. That'll come on. You can have super light, or you can have a disco in your van if you want. That's your disco mode. You could put a blue thing in front of it and maybe make it even more disco-ish. And there was another function of it I wanted to point out, but I've forgotten what it was. No, it's up here. That's it. You can charge, if everything else is working, you can charge your mobile phone via that. But to be quite honest, it's probably quicker doing it from here. Anyway, I don't know, I haven't tried. I have tried it from here, but I haven't actually compared the two. So that is this Bluetti power station. I think it's a pretty good piece of kit, and I wish that something had been around when I was living in a VW camper many years ago. Even though I live in a motorhome now, I use this quite frequently. And the reason I use it is because of this. Because when you plug the computer in by a 12 volt, sometimes it's on, off. And you can see this on the screen. This is a far more efficient way of doing it. So, particularly in the winter, when there might be one or two problems, for me, living all the time in the van, I don't know on hook up the next time. So this, the computer, is absolutely great. And if I don't have access to my computer and my mobile phone, then you won't be getting any videos from me. So that's how it works. Thanks very much, and all the best from Germany.